Negrencia nurse was a recipient of a prestigious award in the United Kingdom in the field of research. Regina Reyes, a nursing graduate of the University of St. LaSalle and a resident of Negros Occidental, was nominated and won the award in the category of Education, Innovation, and Research. The award is given to staffs who displayed an exemplary achievement and dedication across the health board. Regina is a clinical research nurse specialist. She delivers clinical trials and manages surgical portfolios. Being clinically grounded helped Regina to become efficient and effective research nurse specialist in delivering and setting up international clinical trials that will impact the services and the future of healthcare. She made sure that they deliver high-quality research trials and ethically grounded through protecting and safeguarding patients' rights, safety, and well-being.